Okay, so we're out in the barn. The kiddos got a Jeep that requires a 12-volt battery, and we've been having issues. We've been running through batteries like crazy. There's batteries back here. We got some batteries donated to us from a wind farm. They use these in their battery backups, and when they go to recycle them, they give them out to people who want them for home use, and I happened to get some, and they have died. So the issue we were having was the charging system for the Jeep, and this is a Best Choice Products Jeep, by the way. The charger, which is just a little 12-volt plug with a plug-in adapter, was not charging the batteries, and so I needed a automatic way to charge the batteries and maintain them, similar to what you would have in your riding mower, which I need to plug in, by the way. So I went to Walmart and picked up one of these, and it's just a 3-amp maintainer, but it's also a charger. Battery charger and maintainer. It's automatic, so it'll detect the voltage and it'll go from there. Now, you can leave it on without any worry. It won't blow up the battery or anything. And so far, it's been working. And just to demonstrate, we'll pop on one of these older batteries here. And what we'll do, flip it on. So there's not really an on-off on here, so I use a power strip, and I was using a larger, faster battery charger, but it was not automatic. So here you see it says connect clamps. I guess for some reason it's not reading. And let me turn that off and readjust my clamps here. Why is it not reading? Let's try it again. I think this battery's probably too far gone for it to detect anything. Yeah, this battery's too far gone. Let's see what it does when I... Alright, so it might have just been me. For some reason I couldn't get a good connection on the other batteries, but this one was doing the same thing until I clamped them on a little bit differently. But anyway, it comes up, analyzes the battery, tells you what voltage and what the percentage of the charge is currently on the battery. Now the issue with this particular battery is it's not working because it's not holding the charge. It says it's 95%, but I've never seen this thing actually go lower than 95%. And it will charge and it will stop charging at 100%, but this particular battery just dies instantly once we put it into the Jeep. So we did buy a new battery. We're giving this one a shot. This one was 25 bucks at Walmart as well. So hopefully all goes well. But the main point of this video was basically to talk about this maintainer. So far, it's super simple. It was about 30 bucks at the Walmart, and basically you plug it in and forget about it. And that's all there is to it. Not bad. So there's your SP1286 model number. If you're in need of one of these, it's a good little investment for your tractor or for your power wheels. So look into it. Forget about that 12-volt fire trap plug-in DC converter battery charger and get yourself something professional. Your batteries will last longer if you don't use one of these, and you don't risk overheating the transformer here. So, all right, on to the next.